We are a part of SRF Group, which is a multi-business chemicals conglomerate with its roots dating back nearly 2 centuries. Today, SRF is one of India's leading business houses with an annual turnover of around USD 1.6 billion. Within this strong and diversified group, we operate the performance films and foils business, serving both packaging and advanced technical applications. What truly defines us is the growth journey we have consciously built over time because of the continued support of our customers. Today, we operate across multiple substrates with a strong focus on quality, consistency, and innovation. Our success comes from a clear, long-term vision and disciplined execution enabled by deep technology partnerships and, above all, strong relationships with all our stakeholders. Our easy-to-do business with philosophy guides not just how we run processes, but also how we collaborate with partners to build sustainable, value-creating businesses. Brückner has been a critical enabler of our growth journey, helping us creating value by delivering exactly what is required by our customers while preparing the business for its next phase of expansion. Our partnership with Brückner began over a decade ago with our first BOPP line in South Africa in 2013. Since then, the relationship has expanded steadily and we have invested in several Brückner lines both in polyester and polypropylene. Today, the relationship goes far beyond machines. It is built on mutual respect, transparency, and a shared long-term outlook. What makes Brückner unique is their ability to combine engineering excellence and deep process knowledge with a genuine partnership mindset. In complex, long-term projects, mistakes do happen, and what truly differentiates Brückner is their openness to acknowledge them and their prompt, collaborative approach to resolving issues. What I value most is the human connection. There is a genuine warmth in the way the Brückner team engages, built on mutual respect and trust developed over time. They listen carefully, try to truly understand what we are trying to achieve, and respond with speed and commitment. It feels like working with people who are personally invested in our journey, not just professionally associated with us. If I have to define my relationship with Brückner in 3 words: trusted partners in growth.